so much for stopping by. This is React with Grace. You're highly welcome. All right. In today's reaction, I'm going to be reacting to Edin Golan. The first time I reacted to Edin Golan, like it was, this lady was amazing. Like she sang so well. In fact, she's super talented, and this is the Hurricane Live Israel second semi-final Eurovision 2024. Honestly speaking, like, let's watch this video and let me know what you think about it on the comment section. Okay, let's get started.
Ride around my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye. Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and hours and hours. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane.
Oh my goodness, fam, this is amazing. I don't know why I'm feeling emotions reacting to this video. I just can't tell why I'm having these goosebumps and feeling emotional. Unlike the first time I reacted to this video, I don't know what is happening from. This is amazing. This is beautiful. She looks so beautiful. The concert and everything is beautiful, right? Oh, this is amazing.
Living in a fantasy, ecstasy, everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die. Hours and hours and hours. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane.
This is so beautiful, fam.
Thank you so much.
Oh my goodness, fam, this is amazingly beautiful. I don't know why all of a sudden I just have these emotions all over me and I really can't help it. Oh my goodness. I just pray that Edin Golan wins this Eurovision 2024. Like, oh, this is so beautiful. This is amazing. Their performance is top notch. Did you see the concert? It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. Up Israel. This is amazing. Thank you so much if you watched up until this moment. I truly and I really appreciate, and I'm so sorry for being emotional, okay? please, you can, super thanks this video or join my membership. That is the only way you can support my channel. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.